Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Okay, let's start our lesson. Number 4, delicious food. Take your EVS semester book, page number 27. Delicious food means very tasty food. Okay, and varieties of foods they have given here in this picture. See, why do we need food, children? We need food to live and to grow and to get energy and to play, work hard, and many more activities. It helps us to live strong and healthy. Do you know that all living things need food? Yes, all living things need food. Example, plants, animals, and human beings, and all living things need food to live. Where do we get food? We get from plants. We get from our plants, vegetables, fruits, and grains, pulse, and cereals. Okay, see, children. See here, after studying this lesson, you know the food that is available in your locality. Identify the food grains. Identify the food grains available in your locality. Identify the food which you eat. Okay. Are there food items that you have eaten in the picture given below? If yes, put right mark in the box. Okay, whatever food you have eaten, put the right mark in the box. Okay, see here example, idli and chutney. Yes, this is roti or porata. Okay, and lemon rice or puliogre, and here chapati. Yes, you all have eaten these items. Dosa, and here ragi balls, fish, eggs, salads, bread, milk, and puri. And see, children, you all have eaten this foods in your daily days. Okay, which is your favorite dish? Write your favorite dish here. My favorite dish is idli and chutney. Okay. Next, here look at the pictures, put right mark in the space provided. If you know the food, okay, if you know the food, put right mark in the boxes or ask with your parents. Rice. Yes, from rice we prepare idli and rotis and palau rice, lemon rice, everything. Is it? Yes. Here ginger. What is this? This is a ginger we use daily in our curry. What is this? This is corn. Yes, you have know this. This all some children likes corn. This is a milk. Milk gives us energy and healthy. What is this? Banana. Yes, this is a banana. All likes banana. Banana gives us energy and vitamins. This is meat. Meat gives us protein. Radish and tomato. This is fish. This is honey. And what is this? You know? Yes, you all know this is a grapes. And this is curd. Okay, and what this is? Potato. Yes, this is a potato. And what is this, children? Onion. This is carrot. And this is ragi, grains. No, then this is wheat, papaya, and here eggs. All of you likes egg, no? You all must eat egg and milk, drink milk every day. Okay, this is spinach. So, which and all food you know, you have to put the right mark in the box. Name the food grains that are grown and other food items available in your locality. Name the food items and name the food grains. Okay, sorry children, name the food grains that are grown and other food items available in your locality. Next, page number 29. See here, children, the outer circle consists of the food we eat. This is the outer circle. Food consists that we eat. Outer circle food. Okay. The inner circle consists of the items used to prepare the food. Inner circle items are used to prepare the food. Match them by drawing lines. Okay. See here, children. What is this? Rice. The rice we prepare. What and all you can prepare with the rice? We prepare rice and idli, and what else we prepare here? Pulao. Is it? Yes, all this we can prepare from rice. And what is this? Ragi. From ragi, what you do? The ragi balls. Is it? Some of them eat ragi balls. And what is this? Urdur dal. Urdur dal, what do we do with urdur dal? We can prepare vada. Okay. Your mother gives you vada, no? From urdur dal. And what is this? Wheat. From wheat, what you do? Chapatis. All of you like chapatis, is it? Yes. Paratas and chapatis we can make from wheat. What is this, children? This is a milk. From milk, what you do? We do curd, butter, and ghee, no? So here is, they are given curd. Okay, milk you have to drink daily. Name the dishes prepared in your house on the days of festivals. What your mother prepare on your festival days? Write down here. Okay, this is a homework for you. Some of them prepare rice, sambar, and some pugads, no? Is it? Yes, and idli, chutneys, and vadas too, no? So write your dishes prepared for the festival days. Okay, next page. Look at the pictures given below. Put square mark for the food. Pictures given below, put the mark for the square for the food that could be eaten raw. Put the square mark for the food that could be eaten raw. Okay, square mark for the which food we eat raw. Circle mark for the food that has to be cooked and eaten in the boxes provided. Okay. See, here they are given some cooked items and raw items. Is it? Yes. So we'll see what is this? Cucumber. Cucumber can be eaten raw? Yes, we can eat raw. So put the square mark here. Radish. Radish, some of them have eat raw and some of them will be cooked raw, no? So we'll put here square only. Okay, here banana can be eaten raw. Yes, banana can be eaten raw. And here in the second row, children, what they have given? Rice. Rice we have to cook and eat, no? So put the circle mark, it has to be cooked. And brinjal also has to be cook and eat, so put it circle. Fish is also we have to cook and eat, is it? Yes. In the third row, see here they have given corn. Corn we have some eats raw and but we have to cook and eat the corn. Put the circle mark here. And what is this? This is the mangoes. Mangoes can be eaten raw and even we use in the jams and pickles, is it? Yes. And this is a apple. Apple also can be eaten raw. So put the square mark here. Okay, children. See here, play the game. Stand in a circle. Stand in a circle with your friends. Now one of you tell the name of your favorite dish and another will tell the ingredients required to prepare it. Let the game continue in this manner. If you do not know the ingredients, ask your friends or your elders at your home and know it. Okay, you can play these games at your home. And next page, put right mark for the favorite dishes and tell us the dish is your favorite. Say it. Okay, see here, jalebi is my favorite. You can write like that. Jalebi is my favorite. This is ladu and dosa bread. Which is your favorite dish? Put right mark there. Here, put right mark for the favorite fruit. Tell us why you like it. Okay, tell why do you like this fruits. See here, banana, grapes, mangoes and pomegranate. I have tick here mango, and which is your favorite fruit? You can tick right here. Tick right mark for the vegetable you like. Tell why you like it. Here they have given brinjal, carrot, lady's finger and tomatoes. So which is your favorite vegetable? Tick right here and tell why do you like it. This is a homework for you. Okay, then here, do you have plants of vegetables and fruits in your house? If yes, name them. Some of the houses they grow